I think I can save some space. Maybe this old coat hanger I can cut up and, well, anyway, take a look. Good morning, friends. I'm here at my garage right now, and I thought of a project that I could start today. We'll go ahead and fix my coat hanger, and we'll see what else we could do today. Okay, so I've moved the clutter out of that space there so that I can build the coat hanger. Let's go set up our workstation and get the saws ready and start with the project. So this is the old dilapidated coat hanger that was in the corner. So what I plan to do is all these curved pieces of wood, I'm just going to cut them up and then drill them directly to a piece of 2x4 and then hang the 2x4 on the wall. So we'll see how it turns out. To me it looks a little shabby, but anyway, let's take a look. So I have 4 hangers right here. Let's look for the stud to be able to mount the hanger, and then we're done. I'd say in total it took me about an hour to 1 hour and a half to cut up all the pieces, drill them onto the 2x4, found the proper stud. I used 3-inch screws, by the way, to mount to the studs. I decided to make 2 of them, and I think it was really easy. Thanks for watching.